What's up, 10 Scale Squad? And hey, if you want to support the 10 Scale Squad, check it out. We got new t-shirts. There should be a link down below, or check them out at 10scalegarage.com. Let them know that you're an RC enthusiast and a member of one of the coolest squads on YouTube, the 10 Scale Squad. Speaking of RC YouTubers, years ago I saw this video from RC Sparks where he took one of his crawlers, hitched up a trailer for his Traxxas Spartan, and took that thing out and actually ended up launching it off the trailer and ripping around on the Spartan, then pulling it back onto the trailer and went ripping through the woods again. I thought, how awesome is that? But me, being super cheap, I wanted to figure out a way to do that on a budget. And I have. Check this out. Everything on that trailer is 3D printed. The trailer itself, the wheels, the tires. The only thing that I added was just that hitch that actually connects the trailer to the truck. $20 on Amazon, link down below. And I added some foam insulation tape to the bunks because the plastic trailer on the plastic hull of the boat didn't really want to stay put. Now that trailer is made for a Traxxas Blast, but I've put all kinds of other boats on it as well. And if your boat is, between 18 to 23, 24 inches long and a deep V-hull, it should fit. I'm going to put a link down below to where you can get those plans and a video of the guy that designed it, built it, made a video all about it, and you can check it out for yourself if you're curious. So I've never driven the Traxxas Blast before. I kind of bought it just for this project. And I've never actually driven the truck with the trailer and a boat on it. So this is going to be a maiden voyage for all kinds of things. The crawler that I'm using is obviously the RGT crawler that you guys seem to really like. I really like it too. I've been driving the bejesus out of it. So I'm going to put a link to one of those down below, along with the video where you can find out more information about it. All right, so let's go boat launching on a budget. Let's do it. It's gonna fall off. All right, here's the big one. Oh! Oh no! Oh no! Oh. Well, that didn't go to plan. I think it might be fixable. But now I've got just a trailer dolly. Come on, get in there. Now I've got the truck stuck. Oh no, I'm in a world of trouble here. Oh, it's a muddy mess. Oh my gosh, I am so screwed. Oh my gosh. I'm avoiding just like going down there and getting it because it is super, super muddy down there. I don't want to get my new 10 Scale Squad shirt all dirty. But something's gonna have to be done. Oh. Oh. Oh no. Oh no, yeah, here's that. Come on, truck. Yeah. Hey, now it's got a nice little handle. My brand new boat is all muddy. All right, now my boat's floating away. There we go. Yeah, Traxxas Blast. So I've never driven this boat before. It's nothing crazy. This is just a brushed 380 sized little boat. But it handles pretty well. It's not fast at all, but yeah, I didn't really expect it to be. Yeah, it's got great maneuverability, believe it or not. It handles really nice. Yeah. And like most boats, it definitely turns better one way than the other. Trying to avoid all the stuff floating out there. I mean, not a bad little boat. I think these are like right around $150 or so. There's definitely better options for the money, but you know, this being a Traxxas, they've made this thing for like 10 years or something, and I think they're gonna keep making it. So parts, yeah, not an issue with any Traxxas vehicle, but you know, especially one like this. It's definitely slowing down. I don't know what happened. I don't know if I got junk in the prop or what, but it is definitely slowing down. But yeah, it's fun. I really like boats. If you're not into boats, the one thing that you always have to consider is you always need some way to retrieve your boat other than going swimming. You know, if you're in like a warm lake or something like that, it's not a big deal, but something like this is gonna be crazy. All right, there's nothing else for it. I'm just gonna go full. Oh, that was not what I had in mind. And there's no reverse on this, so it's not the easiest thing in the world to back up and try again. That's the thing about boats, like they don't have brakes, and a lot of the times they don't have reverse. There we go. So that did not really go to plan. The trailer ended up breaking. But you know, at the end of the day, this is just plastic, and the whole thing was held together with 2-part epoxy, so you know, there was really no mechanical things holding it together. But I think I can fix it, and I'm definitely going to. And in the video of the guy that actually made this, he did say, yeah, it's probably just mostly for decoration, but you know, it does work. And it's probably partly my own fault for trying to launch it like off-road down that crazy, gnarly, super muddy hill. But it was still fun. We got to pull the boat and the trailer around for a little bit. We almost made it to the water, but this will give us an excuse to try again. And that's what it's all about. It's not always wins right off the rip. Sometimes you gotta experiment, redesign, rethink it, and do it again. And now that I've printed one of these and assembled it, I definitely think there's some room for improvement. So we might make a 3D printed boat trailer Mark II. Anyways, if this is your first time checking out the channel, you might want to stick around because I like to do crazy shenanigans like this all the time. And let me know what you think down below. Are you into boating? Do you have a trailer? Is there a trailer out there that I should have got? And let me know the kinds of stuff that you guys are 3D printing. All right, guys, until next time.